How did this channel get 1 million subscribers in less than a month? Stay tuned and find out. Hello. Hi, my name is Anthony Ambriz, and I'm a YouTube certified content and growth strategist. And I want to share my insights into how this channel was able to get 1 million subscribers with just 2 videos in less than a month. But first, I want to know how you would celebrate getting 1 million subscribers in less than a month. Comment below. The question I'm often asked as a YouTube strategist is, can you still make it on YouTube? The answer is,
yes, we can.
Oh, you want proof? Jenelle is your proof, so start your channel today. So now the question is why? Why did this channel take off? Why are her videos going viral? What happened? Well, let me tell you. Her first video was published about 3 weeks ago, June 26, 2019, the van tour, which at the time of recording this video, it's at 4.6 million views. Her follow-up video of how I shower in a van has 7.7 million views as of recording this video. So who is she and why did she start a YouTube channel? She says, I made this channel to document my life living and traveling in a 1995 GMC Vandura Explorer with my pet snake, Alfredo. I hope to inspire you guys to get out there and do what makes you happy. Hugs and kisses, Jenelle and Alfredo. Now, I want to take a quick second to the people who are throwing shade or just being haters or just chalking this up to she's pretty, beautiful, cute, sexy, all this stuff that it has to do with sex appeal, her looks, that she's a girl, and all this stuff. Dudes and dudettes, don't be haters. Yes, she's cute, she's pretty, she's very creative, very fun, smart, all that stuff. A dream girl for some guys, right? But that's just who she is. That's just part of the equation. It doesn't hurt. It definitely helps. But it's not cool to chalk it up all to just that. What I really think sets her apart is her story. It's very compelling. She's a young female girl living in a van, and she has a pet snake named Alfredo. The way she edits, the way she presents herself, the humor, all those things are just perfect. They're compelling, they're engaging, and they work on YouTube. Her videos are quality, they're shot well, they're edited well, the music, the tone, all that stuff is just spot on. She's a legit creator. Her optimization skills are pretty good too. Her thumbnails are great, her titles are engaging, she has descriptions, she has tags, she has all those things that YouTube likes. Once you put it all together, she's an awesome person, she's optimized her videos, she's created quality content, it's engaging, she has a fantastic story, and you package it all up and you put it on YouTube. How does it then take off to these million subscribers and millions of views? Here's my theory. Trends. Living in a van or the van life is currently a trend. Let me show you. If I do a quick YouTube search for van life, these are the videos that pop up. A lot of these videos are very current, from a few weeks ago, a few months, a few days, even a few hours. And if I click into these videos, I can see that some of these videos are some of the best performing videos for these channels. I can safely say that Jenelle has had an influence on this, as people have noticed this trend and noticed her, and so they're taking advantage of it and using that trend and riding that wave. Hence me making a video on this. Views, baby, I want those views. But I also want to make this video to help you guys figure out how to ride these trends and how to look for them. If I look at the data provided by vidIQ, you can see that there's definitely a trend going on right now. If you went out there and made a video about your van and the van life and the van tour, people would watch it. Now, if you look at this term, van life, on Google Trends, and you see the search results, you see that leading upward. It's definitely taking off right now. Now, I'm not saying living in a van, living that van life is a new thing. No, I'm saying that it's trending right now. So why is van life trending right now? Well, it is the summer, and it also fits in with the whole millennial vibe of living that kind of lifestyle, of being free, of hitting the road, having adventures, making memories, having experiences. At the same time, there's a lot of people who live this lifestyle who are on Instagram and who have now moved over to YouTube. And when they do that transition, things work really well for them. Similar to when Viners went to YouTube and then blew up. Recap. Reasons why Jennelle Eliana's channel blew up. Her personality. She has a fantastic personality. She has a very interesting story. She has quality and engaging videos. She's optimizing her content. And the space she's in is currently trending. Now, having all these elements together, YouTube has done their part and has recommended her content to millions of people around the world. So the question now is, how do you ride a trend, or how do you find a trend so you can create awesome content around it? A simple, easy tip that you can do is be a consumer. Now, I know some of you here be a creator, not a consumer. The thing is, you can't create anything if you haven't consumed anything. So look around you, pay attention, see what people are talking about, see what teenagers are talking about, see what millennials are talking about, see what the world is talking about, what's buzzing, see what's trending on social media, see what's trending on Reddit, see what's trending on Google Trends. So take all that information, have a discussion around it, and create something. Good luck, you guys. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this, or go watch another video and learn about the YouTube algorithm, learn about thumbnails, all that great stuff. Peace.